Hello, Korak. How are you?
Very good.
Great.
So,
I'm very happy for you. God bless you.
God bless us all. I'm
Yeah.
just trying to do something which I'm used to doing for all these years. I thought I'll take it online and take it to more people in the world.
Yeah, you should, because noble cause should spread everywhere.
Yes. And it is so important that we all like make at least a little percentage of our time and concentration on selflessly loving as human beings.
Yeah, we planned for this, but we have somehow been off track for
Yeah,
past many years.
yeah. And that is the reason maybe, uh, the creator pushed me, go, Kora, go, Sunita, go.
Right. Yes.
So, and I'm like, we
Great
all are.
this amount of consistency.
I will make today's meeting very small because I know it's Dhanteras and evening time, like everybody must be getting busy. Yeah, Sona is
Yeah.
there. Where is Suvan?
Namaste, sir.
Namaste. Yes.
Sir,
Okay.
actually, I
It's okay.
totally forgot to uh, reproduce, redo the videos.
Yes, there is always a next month. There is
Next
always a
month.
next month. Okay, it's okay, Manisha. As long as you could hear us, it is okay. Uh, and we can talk on the today's meeting is just like uh, finding out the results of the beautiful soul, and it'll be a very small short kind of meet, and we'll meet after that on uh, Sunday, 9 a.m. So before that, it's just, and thank you, Sunita and Manisha, to come to cheer up these 1 month old veterans. So,
Why not? We are just supporting. You are the leader.
no, no, the leader is the creator. Whatever name you want
Yeah,
to give him or her,
but the purpose he chooses you.
yes. And you also
You
now
call
from
Hari.
this month. Yes, because I felt it's the actions are so important. I think I will start declaring the results.
Yeah, Shravan, you don't have your video, okay?
Huh?
Today, only 10-15 minutes.
They were like different parts. For the attendance, I think except Srijan, like there were many people in this group, and some people after this, because everybody join as starters, and then they go to level 1, and level 1 take part in the competition. So in the level 1, you have to do certain things to come to the level 1 thing. So in the level 1, except Srijan, everybody had full attendance. Attendance ho gaya. Then the second thing was Bandhu. Bandhu is like, if I am getting something good in my life, something selfless love, then I must share it with people. I must bring more people into this thing, because jitne zyada log honge, the more there will be people, the more we can do more things for our earth, for Bharat, for humanity, for the nature, and especially for the creator. So isme bandhu, for bringing bandhus, for bringing people into this group and seeing that they are staying also. ये नहीं आए एक दिन दो दिन फिर नहीं आए, ये नहीं, but they are staying and they are taking part in it. So in this, the champion is Sona, because she got many people, but 4 people were in level 1. So that is Sona. So a small clap for her. being a champion. Okay. Then the next thing was blessings. Like every day, 3 times in a day, before we start our food eating, we give 3 shares. And the new people will come to know about this thing. And we will come to know. We give 3 shares for the animals of the land, animals of the water, and animals of the sky. पहले उनको देके फिर हम अपना खाना खाते हैं, to take their blessings and to remember them that we are human beings, we are responsible for all the life forms. So isme there are 2 people who, like, nobody did 100%, but 2 people did something, and they are Hira and Shravan. I won't tell anyone to clap for them now because उन्होंने बहुत कम किया है. पूरा 100% करना चाहिए, but still they are better than other people. अच्छा, for the videos में there were 4 videos जिसमें एक श्लोक था और या फिर एक concept था, and we have to tell the concept or the shlok and also the meaning or what they felt about it. In this thing, I gave marks, and also the audience who were not part of that. Means if, for example, Shravan is also part of the competition, but Shravan can give marks to other people, not himself. So in that thing, there were like 2 competitions for the videos. एक तो मैंने दिया और उसके बाद मैंने दे दिया था कल marks, and today the audience gave. And I really want to applaud all these people who have, all the new members especially, who have like gone beyond their this thing, and they gave the marks and they encouraged everyone. So thank you to everyone. I think Manisha and Sunita is there, and there are some others also, and I will tell about their names later who has given marks. So in the video thing, I gave the highest marks to Shravan. So clap for him, please. And the audience, I think Shama was busy. She did not check out the Selfless Action Club group. Shama, I expected you also to give some marks. I think you were busy in your college. But never mind, there is always a next month. So, so the audience gave Shravan 88.75% marks. So audience opinion and what I felt were both same. And so Shravan actually got, from my side, he got 33 out of 40. And from the audience side, he got 88.75%. Anybody wants to know the second person? No, well, I won't tell who was the second in that.
Why?
Okay, I will say the second person from my side was Sona with 31 out of 40. And from the audience, it was also Sona, 75%. I think Hira did not give one video. So anyways, okay, so that made her marks little go down. But I would mention that Hira's videos were very creative. So that is the thing. And now there is another thing in this thing called Jagat Kalyan. In Jagat Kalyan, we contribute every day, like the way we give food for all these 3 living beings of air, water, and land. Similarly, we contribute every day something for the works of selfless love and for the selfless love 7 missions which we have. The new people will come to know about that later from the next class. And so in that, Hira got the maximum marks. She got 78.6 marks in that. How? That I will tell later individually. But she got the maximum marks. She got 78.6. And okay, so now I will tell you who are these three people who needs to really work hard much more in the next month. These three people who really need to work more, they really need to buck up, you know, in the next month, November. These three people are Suvan, Shrushti, and Srijan. They really have to work hard because kuch na kuch hua and they were like incomplete in certain parts of the competition. And even though they tried a lot, they did many good things. And I would especially mention Suvan because his video was, I loved the video, and many people, some people wrote cute and nice things. He used his mirdangam or something, or maybe this thing, some drums, and he did that. So that was good. And so with this, yes, Dandiya ke sticks the. So now I will mention the runner-up first, and then the winner. So within 2 minutes, I will finish this thing, or maybe 2-3 minutes. The runner-up got in total 182.6 marks. Runner-up से जो नीचे है, वो ज़्यादा difference नहीं है. That the second runner-up बोल सकते हैं, but there is no nothing mentioned in the this thing. The second runner-up got 173.75 marks. So the runner-up and the second runner-up, ज़्यादा difference नहीं है. Maybe 8-9 marks का difference है. And the winner got 199.5 marks. So the runner-up got 182.6 and the winner got 199.5. And the runner-up is कौन है? I wish I had a like like films के award ceremony में होता है ना, there is this heroine standing and she is like, मुझे दो मैं बताती हूँ, and she opens up and shows. So the runner-up with 182.6 is Hira. Hira, where is Hira? Yes. Even if she did not do one video, I don't know how she skipped it, but still she is the runner-up with 182.6 marks. The second runner-up with 173.75 marks is Shravan. And so the winner is Sona Bakale. Sona is the winner. She is the beautiful soul of October 2021, and she and also Hira, both of them has many responsibilities for the month of November, because they are like, this is like a Miss India or the Mr. World competition. Bas yehi hai, Miss India, Mr. World mein it is the competition of the body and the mind, but isme beautiful soul mein it is the competition of your beautiful soul, which is not age, umar se koi, it is not according to the age, it is not according to your whether you are a male or a female, it is not by the gender, because मैंने वो चीज ही हटा दिया है, the gender difference, the age difference, सब कुछ हटा दिया. It is just the soul, because ये gender difference, age difference, pain difference, memory difference, इससे ना बहुत इस दुनिया में बहुत सारे problems होते हैं. So I always wanted to do this thing, and one day you will see our competition, Beautiful Soul, will be a competition of the whole world, जिसमें पूरी दुनिया part लेगी. And today's people who have joined now and people who are part of the founding of this thing, they will be so proud, and their children will be so proud that we were part of the founding thing. ये Miss World और Mr. World ये सब कुछ नहीं होगा. लोग समझ जाएंगे this is only body and mind. But what is more important? Atma, the soul. So that is the thing. And yeah, this is a yearly competition. ये monthly हुआ, and then it will be full year का होगा. That will be something major. Okay, so have a beautiful Dhanteras, all of you. और जिन लोग winner या runner up नहीं बने हैं, I want to tell them, work hard. Next time the competition will be much more bigger. So everyone, Sunita, Shama, Manisha, then Shrijan, Suvan, Shashi, everyone, they have to really, you know, इन दोनों को तो पीछे ही कर देना है. और ये जो दो हैं, इन दोनों को भी you have to really work so that you maintain. Sona has to maintain, Hira has to come as the winner, because ये 12 months का है, ये तो 1 month हुआ है अभी. And Shravan, next time you have to be the winner, if Shama, Sunita, Manisha allow you to, because they also have to be the winner. See you on Sunday, 9 a.m. And please, one request, earthen lamps with ghee and cotton, this thing. No Chinese bulbs, please.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you everyone for coming.
So
And-
happy Diwali to everybody. Happy
Happy
Diwali. to
Diwali.
all of you.
Happy Diwali.
Happy Diwali. Happy Diwali.